Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, in this video I'm going to show you really quick. We're going to do an update video, and I will put down here what month it is. I think it's definitely over a year on my mom and dad's Acadia. I put the Adam's Graphene ceramic paint coating on it when it first came out, and let me show you how dirty it is. And then I'm going to show you what the hydrophobics look like, because it just got done raining and you guys are going to be able to see that it's still repelling water. Awesome. Okay, so you can see, not sure where my mom's been driving it, but there's mud. And I've only done one maintenance wash on this. My dad takes it through. Yeah, it's been sitting out here because he's cooking Thanksgiving in there. This is Thanksgiving Day. But I've only done one maintenance wash on this. As you guys can see, it still looks really good, even on the plastic trim that I put it on. And here, all the way down. Now, I don't have any water to actually show you guys, because it is filthy. It needs a good bath. But the water beads are sitting up nicely. As you guys can see, nice and uniform. All the way down. One of these days I'm gonna get it to the house and we're gonna have to do a maintenance on it. We'll do another update video, but I saw this and I was real happy with it because I saw how dirty it was. And while we're at it, I put the Adam's Graphene coating on my brother's Tesla. If you guys remember, it is dirty right now also. It's been raining, you can see, but he just got here, so a lot of the water's off of it. Not sure why the lights just flashed at me. But as you can see, it's holding the gloss really good. You can see the water's been beating and going down to the bottom of the surface, but the hood still looks really good. It's maintained its gloss, which is the purpose of the ceramic coatings. So yeah, even the Tesla's looking good with the Adam's Graphene paint coating on it. So there you guys go. There's an update on the Adam's Polish's Graphene ceramic paint coating on my mom and dad's car, and a bonus while my brother was here on his Tesla. Both look like they're holding up great. Both have good gloss, and the dirt is washing down to the bottom of the surface, which is what you want, and the hydrophobics look great. So yeah, like I said, I think it's been over a year on this, and I know it's been over a year on the Tesla because I did the Tesla before I did the Acadia. So yeah, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video and you liked the update video, and it was helpful for you guys if you're maybe thinking about getting the Adam's Polish's Graphene ceramic paint coating or whatever. I just want to give you guys an update. I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you in the next video.